If you're retired or close to it, you might be thinking about how to safeguard your retirement savings, especially with the economy constantly shifting. Inflation, market volatility, and rising costs can make you question whether your current strategy is enough to protect your hard-earned money. But what if there was a way to potentially shield your wealth and even grow it despite these challenges? Today, we're diving into Santa Barbara Precious Metals, a company that promises to help retirees like you diversify their portfolios with precious metals like gold and silver. But does it live up to the hype? Are they really the solution you've been looking for? Or is it just another flashy service that overpromises and underdelivers? Let's break it down. Santa Barbara Precious Metals specializes in helping customers roll over their 401ks or IRAs into precious metals-backed IRAs. This is becoming a popular strategy, especially among retirees, to protect against inflation and economic uncertainty. The idea is simple. If the stock market crashes or the dollar loses value, precious metals, like gold and silver, tend to hold their value, or even increase over time. But, as always, not everything that glitters is gold. Some companies in this space charge hefty fees, and others have questionable customer service. So, what about Santa Barbara Precious Metals? First, let's look at their customer service. One of the most important things for retirees is feeling secure and informed about where their money is going. Santa Barbara Precious Metals gets high marks for customer service. They offer personalized guidance to help you understand how precious metals can fit into your retirement plan. And they walk you through the process of rolling over your IRA or 401k step by step, which can be a bit overwhelming if you've never done it before. Next, let's talk about their fees. While they are transparent about their charges, it's important to note that there are still some associated costs with precious metal IRAs. You'll have setup fees, storage fees, and transaction fees. These are standard across the industry, but it's worth comparing to see if they're in line with other companies. So, what's the bottom line here? Should you consider Santa Barbara Precious Metals for your retirement strategy? If you're looking to diversify and want an alternative to traditional investments, like stocks and bonds, gold and silver could be a solid option. But you need to make sure you're working with a trusted company that provides transparency and offers reasonable fees. And that's where Santa Barbara Precious Metals seems to check the right boxes. They've got a strong reputation for customer service, and they make the rollover process easy to understand. But, like with any financial decision, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Now, here's what I want you to do. If you're ready to take the next step and want to learn more about how a gold IRA can help protect your wealth from market downturns and inflation, we've got a free gold IRA guide waiting for you. This isn't a sales pitch. We're offering an educational consultation to see if it's the right fit for your financial situation. No pressure. Just one-on-one education with a professional who can walk you through the options available. You've worked hard for your savings, and it's time to protect it for the next generation. Don't wait for the next economic downturn to catch you off guard. Get your free guide today, and let's talk about how you can take control of your financial future without any gimmicks or high-pressure sales tactics. Just honest, straightforward advice.